Today I am reviewing iMartine BR151 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking to revolutionize home cleaning, the iMartine BR151 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo might just be the ultimate solution for you. This 2-in-1 robotic vacuum and mop is designed to make cleaning effortless, convenient, and even enjoyable. With its smart technology, strong suction, and sleek design, it's perfect for homes with hard floors, low-pile carpets, and even pet hair. Let's start with the design and build. The iMartine BR151 features a slim 2.87-inch profile, which allows it to glide effortlessly under beds, sofas, and other tight spaces where traditional vacuum cleaners can't reach. Its compact and sleek blue exterior not only looks modern, but is built to handle the everyday challenges of home cleaning. With advanced anti-collision and anti-fall sensors, this robot is intelligent enough to avoid obstacles, toys, stairs, and even delicate furniture, ensuring both safety and efficiency. Now, let's talk about its cleaning performance. The BR151 comes with a 230 milliliters electronic water tank and a washable mopping cloth, enabling simultaneous vacuuming and mopping. This means it doesn't just pick up dust and debris, it also leaves your floors sparkling clean. Thanks to its tangle-free brush system, you don't have to worry about pet hair or strings getting stuck in the vacuum, which is a huge time saver for pet owners. The suction power is impressive, capable of handling dust, crumbs, and paper scraps with ease. With 4 cleaning modes, auto, spot, edge, and zigzag, you can customize the cleaning according to your needs. Auto mode covers the entire area, spot mode focuses on high-traffic zones, edge mode cleans corners and along walls, and zigzag ensures thorough coverage. All of this is done quietly, operating under 65 decibels, so you can continue your activities or even relax while the robot works. One of the standout features of the iMartine BR151 is its smart connectivity. You can control it via the Tuya Smart App, which allows you to schedule cleaning, select cleaning modes, and even direct the robot to specific areas. It's compatible with Google Assistant, which means you can start or stop cleaning using voice commands. Perfect for when you're busy cooking, working, or just relaxing. Additionally, a remote control is included for manual operation, giving you multiple ways to control your cleaning schedule. The battery life is another highlight. Equipped with a high-capacity 2,500 mAh lithium-ion battery, the BR151 can clean continuously for up to 100 minutes, covering approximately 1,290 square feet in a single session. When the battery runs low, it automatically returns to the charging dock, ensuring it's ready for the next cleaning session without any hassle. Maintenance is simple with this model. It includes multiple filters, side brushes, and a removable dustbin, all designed to be easily cleaned or replaced. The mopping cloth is washable, and the water tank is easy to refill, which keeps the unit running efficiently for long-term use. In summary, the iMartine BR151 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is a smart, versatile, and powerful cleaning solution. It's ideal for busy households, pet owners, and anyone looking for hassle-free cleaning. With its slim design, strong suction, intelligent navigation, and convenient app and voice control, it offers exceptional value for money. If you want to spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your home, this robot vacuum and mop combo is an excellent choice. With thousands of satisfied users giving it high ratings, it's clear that the iMartine BR151 is designed to make cleaning effortless and effective for any modern home.